Every golden fry begins deep in fertile farmland. Timing and soil decided the quality of every harvest.
Only the best make it beyond the field.
Freshness is protected from the very first mile. From open fields to controlled environments. This is where farming meets precision. Speed matters, but cleanliness matters more. Soil is stripped away, layer by layer.
Human eyes still guard the process.
Uniformity begins with precision peeling.
Every fry exactly the same.
Excess starch is carefully removed.
Texture is shaped before frying begins.
Moisture control is critical.
This is where color is born.
Excess oil is removed with precision. Freshness is locked in instantly.
Technology ensures consistency.
Nothing leaves without approval.
Exact portions every time.
Sealed for global delivery. Millions of fries moving as one. Ready for restaurants worldwide. And this is how modern factories produce McDonald's French fries from farm to finish.